This is an instructional video to show you how to construct a face shield for healthcare providers who are going to be in direct patient care roles. You can start with transparency film or binding covers. Transparency film is going to be thinner. Binding covers are going to be thicker. I prefer binding covers because they're a little more sturdy. These are standard letter size, approximately 8.5 by 11 inches. The foam top is made out of window seal. You can measure it against the long side of your binding cover, but I would leave about an inch on either side so that there's enough room for 2 staples. Most any elastic will do. For the measurement, go with the long side of the shield. Again, that's about 11 inches. To finish it off, you want to take off the sharp edges from the bottom. And here's the finished product.